bàbá. Bá mi dé ni mo ṣe ń yìn ọ́ o bàbá, ibi ẹ bá mi dé ni mo ṣe ń yìn ọ́ o bàbá. Ó kọjá òye ènìyàn, ó kọjá àdúrà táwọn ẹ̀mí o, ibi ẹ bá ṣẹ́ dé ni a ṣe ń yìn ọ́ o bàbá.
Ibi ẹ bá ṣẹ́dé ni mo ṣe ń yìn ọ́ bàbá. Ibi ẹ bá ṣẹ́dé ni mo ṣe ń yìn ọ́ bàbá.
Ṣẹ́dé ni mo ṣe ń yìn ọ́ o bàbá. Arúgbó ọjọ́ ẹrù jẹjẹ létí òkun ni ọ́ bàbá mi, ẹkùn ọkọ̀ Fáráò ọ̀pá kan wò kan yìí Ọlọ́run nínú iná o. Ibi ẹ bá ṣẹ́dé ni mo ṣe ń yìn ọ́ o bàbá. Ó kọjá òye ènìyàn, Olúwa lọ ó kọjá ọgbọ́n mi. Ibi ẹ bá mi dé ni mo ṣe rí ọ o bàbá. Ayérayé tí ò yí padà, ọba mi ọ̀pá kan wò kan yìí, ẹni tó rìn nínú iná, ẹni tó rìn nínú àrá, ẹni tó lajú afọ́jú, ẹni tó jí òkú dìde, ẹni táyé ò gbà tọ́run ò gbà, ẹni tí ń ṣe mímọ́, tí ń jẹ mímọ́, tí ń wọ mímọ́, tí ń rìn mímọ́. Òwò nílé orí òkè tí wò pẹ̀kun ẹyẹ nínú igbó. Ìwọ ni ọba àwọn ọba, ẹkùn ọkọ̀ Fáráò, alágbára ní Íjíbítì, lọ́run ìpè Jósẹ́fù Ayọ̀ Babalọ́lá. Ìwọ nìkan ni a wí pé ẹ ṣé, torí pé ìwọ ni ó bá wa bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ọdún yìí wá. Ògo ni fún orúkọ rẹ, mímọ́ ni ọ́ Olódùmarè. Ó kọjá òye ènìyàn, Olúwa lọ ó kọjá ọgbọ́n mi. Ibi ẹ bá mi dé ni mo ṣe rí ọ o bàbá.
Bàbá wòlíì Olúwalọ, mo kí i pé ẹ kú iṣẹ́ Olúwa. Olúwa bá yóò máa sọ agbára dọ̀tun.
Àmín.
Ó ṣe díẹ̀ tí a mọ ènìyàn tí ọmọ Nàìjíríà káàkiri orílẹ̀-èdè àgbáyé ti ń retí apá kejì rẹ́kọ̀dù yìí. Mo mọ̀ wípé iná Ọlọ́run ó ti ń sọ̀kalẹ̀ báyìí lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́, ṣùgbọ́n kí a tún tó máa lọ, mo fẹ́ kí ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa nǹkan tí a ń pè ní òpin ọdún.
Ẹ ṣe kí a tó sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ohun tí a ń pè ní òpin ọdún, má gbàgbé pé ibìkan ni a ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ nínú ọdún yìí. Ìyẹn náà ni wípé ọpẹ́ náà ló yẹ kó máa dá níbikíbi tó lè wù kó wà. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a wo ohun tí ọ̀rọ̀ Olúwa wí nínú Psalm 136 ìlà kìíní ń bẹ̀. Kí ló ń tó wí?
Ẹ fi ọpẹ́ fún Olúwa.
Ẹ fi ọpẹ́ fún Olúwa.
Nítorí tí ó ṣeun.
Nítorí tí ó ṣeun.
Nítorí tí àánú rẹ̀ dúró láéláé.
Torí tí àánú rẹ̀ dúró láéláé. Má gbàgbé mọ́mì, àwọn kan ní ẹwà jù ọ́ lọ tán bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọdún yìí, kíyèsí wọn ò sí láyé mọ́. Àwọn kan ní owó jù ọ́ lọ, kíyèsí ojú ti owó lórí ayé wọn, ojú ti owó nínú ìgbéyàwó wọn, wọ́n ti wọ káà ilẹ̀ sùn. ẹsẹ̀ mẹ́fà ti gbé wọn mì ṣùgbọ́n torí pé o wà lórí ilẹ̀ alàyè lónìí wòlíì ọlọ́run gbogbo tí ẹ ń gbọ́ mi ẹ̀yin bàbá ẹ̀yin pásítọ̀ àwọn kan wà wọ́n ní ìpè jù wá lọ kíyèsí wọn ò sí láyé mọ́ ipò tí a wà lónìí yẹn ọpẹ́ ló yẹ kí a máa dá mbẹ̀ ó ní mo ṣe sọ nínú orin yẹn báyìí wípé ibi tí olúwa bá iṣẹ́ dé ló mú kí a máa yìn mo sì mọ̀ wípé à ń gbé ọba àwọn ọba ga ibi tí o wà ó yẹ kó lè máa ké ògo 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 o sí ní ilé ìwòsàn tàbí bí o tilẹ̀ wà gan nílé ìwòsàn tó ń gbọ́ mi àwọn kan lẹ́jọ́ wà ní hospital yẹn nígbà kan àìsàn tiẹ̀ ó burú ju tiwọn lọ ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ti kú ìwọ wà láàyè ìyẹn ni pé orí ọ̀fẹ́ wà fún ọ bàbá fún gbogbo tí ẹ ṣe wọ̀nyí lórí àwọn kan wọ̀nyí à ń tó bímọ lọ́dún yìí à ń tó fún níṣẹ́ lọ́dún yìí àwọn ìpè tó gbé dìde lọ́dún yìí ìjọ gbogbo tí o kọ́ lọ́dún yìí àlàáfíà tá a ní lórílẹ̀‐èdè yìí àwọn ọkọ̀ tó ń lọ ìrìn àjò tó ń padà bọ̀ àwọn kan ò sáré wọ́n bá ikú òjijì pàdé bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni àwọn kan sá eré wọ́n dẹ̀ ń lọ láyọ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ ń bọ̀ láyọ̀ ìwọ ló ṣe kò sí dírẹ́fà tó mọ̀ wà torí pé ìwọ nìkan ni ọba tó lè wa ọkọ̀ láwàyọrí dúpẹ́ torí pé o wa ọkọ̀ ayé wa láwàyọrí ọdún yìí ó jẹ́ kí ogun ọdún yìí kó gbé wa mì ó jẹ́ kí ìṣòro ọdún yìí kó gbé wa mì a rí ogun ṣùgbọ́n ogun ò borí wa a rí ogun níbi iṣẹ́ ogun ibi iṣẹ́ ò borí a rí ogun nínú ilé ogun ilé ò borí ogun orogún ibi iṣẹ́ dìde ogun orogún ilé bàbá dìde ogun orogún ìjọ dìde ìwọ ló jẹ́ kó borí a wí pé ògo 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 gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ mọ rírì ohun tí mò ń wí yẹn ní ìyókù kí ọdún yìí kó parí bí olúwa ti ń bẹ tí ẹ̀mí ẹ wà ohun tó ṣe máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ọ tó fi máa dúpẹ́ tó fi kọ orin tuntun lórúkọ jésù kristi ti násárẹ́tì ayọ̀ǹda fún ọ.
Àmín.
ẹ ó dẹ̀ ra àánú.
Àmín.
amen.
Amen. à ń dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọlọ́run wípé àdúrà yìí ó ń tẹ̀ síwájú náà nìyẹn bàbá màmá ò yá mú ìgbàgbọ́ rẹ àti ìpinnu rẹ kí àdúrà yìí kí ó lè ṣẹ mọ́ ọ lára bàbá àdúrà fún òpin ọdún.
ẹ ṣe bí o ti ń gbọ́ mi ní òpin ọdún yìí ọ̀rọ̀ àkọ́kọ́ rèé o ìṣẹ̀dá rẹ kò ní sùn nínú àgbàrá ẹ̀jẹ̀.
Àmín.
mo ní ìṣẹ̀dá rẹ kò ní sùn nínú àgbàrá ẹ̀jẹ̀.
Àmín.
ọkọ̀ tí ènìyàn ń wọ̀ láyé tí ó máa ń jáni sí àjùlé ọ̀run bí olúwa ti ń bẹ tí ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ wà ìwọ ò ní wọ ọkọ̀ náà.
Àmín.
gbọ́ èyí lẹ́nu mi mọ́tò tí a ti pàlẹ́ kú sí lára bí o bá ti sanwó nínú ọkọ̀ yẹn gan ẹ̀mí mímọ́ ó máa gbé ọ jáde kúrò mẹ́.
Àmín.
ibi tí àwọn alágbára ibi òkùnkùn tí wọ́n pàlẹ́ sí pé wọ́n fẹ́ mu ẹ̀jẹ̀ nípasẹ̀ bọ́ọ̀sì tàbí nípasẹ̀ ásídẹ́ǹtì tàbí nípasẹ̀ pé kó kó sí ẹnu tírélà.
mo kí ọba àwọn káàkiri gbogbo ibi tí ẹ ti ń wò mí.
I greet the King of Heaven from where you have privilege to be worshiping.
mo sì gbé ọlọ́run ga lórí ayé yín.
And I exalt God over your life.
mo kí yín pé kú ìsinmi òní.
I am greeting you happy Sunday.
mo sì ń gbé ọlọ́run ga lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí lórí ayé
And I
yín.
exalt God once again in your
ohun tí mo
life.
ń gbìyànjú láti sọ fún yín ni pé
What am I trying to pass across to
ọlọ́run
you
ni
is that
agbára yín ọlọ́run náà ni agbára wa.
God is your power and is our power too.
lórúkọ jésù olúwa ó máa dára fún
We
yín.
shall be well with you in Jesus'
mo fẹ́ kó
name.
máa bá mi invite àwọn ọmọ wòlíì
I want you to go ahead and invite the sons and daughters
àti àwọn
of
ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ gbogbo
and all your friends
kí wọ́n máa join wa báyìí.
for them to join us in this
lórúkọ
platform.
jésù bí o ti ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀.
As you do that in the name of
mo
Jesus,
máa rí àánú tó tayọ
you
gbà.
will obtain exceeding mercy.
ìrànlọ́wọ́ dẹ̀ máa dìde fún
Our
ẹ.
help will come to your aid.
ní òní
Today,
mo máa gbàdúrà fún yín.
I'm going to pray for you
màá dẹ̀ sọ àwọn nǹkan kan tí ẹ ní.
and I will tell you some things your life needs
tí mo máa ṣiṣẹ́ lé lórí
that
nílùú
I'm
àkúrẹ́.
going to work upon in the city of Akure
láàrin ọjọ́ mẹ́ta
within the space of 3 days.
tí mo dẹ̀ máa fẹ́ kó o rán àwọn èèyàn rẹ wá
And
sílẹ̀.
I want you to call your people and send them to that program.
nígbà kan mo sọ nǹkan kan fún yín.
I told you something
mo
before.
ní wòlíì ní ìlú.
The prophet in the city.
sọ ó túmọ̀ sí pé máa wà ní ìlú
It implies I'm going to be in the city
fún odidi ọjọ́ mẹ́ta
for 3 consecutive
ní
days
ìlú àkúrẹ́.
in the city of
kí ni
Akure.
nǹkan tí màá máa ṣiṣẹ́ lé
What
lórí.
about is the theme of the program?
program kan wà tí lórí online prayer mi
There is a program on my online prayer
tí mo pè wípé
that I tagged
èmi kò ṣe é dá dúró
that I am unstoppable,
tí a máa ń ṣe ní ọjọ́ Monday.
that we used to anchor every
bọ̀
Monday.
nínú mi ò ṣe dá dúró yìí.
But inside this, I'm
mo
unstoppable.
fi táàgì program ọjọ́ mẹ́ta
That is what I tag the 3 days program.
gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìtọ́ni àti bí ìdarí ẹ̀mí mímọ́.
According to the leaders and guidance of Holy Spirit.
so mo máa sọ̀rọ̀ díẹ̀ lórí ẹ̀
I
nísìnyí.
am going to expatiate on it now.
màá dẹ̀ lọ gbàdúrà.
And we are going to pray.
mo mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin kan wà online pẹ̀lú wa
I know there are
lọ́sàn-án
some people online with us in the morning program.
nínú mẹ́sẹ̀gì tá a ṣe.
And the message that we really preach in this
mo
today's
lè rí
program.
wípé ẹ rí pé ní tòótọ́ Ọlọ́run rán wa.
And I know surely you are certain that God indeed sent us.
ọmọ mi kan mọ nǹkan tó máa sọ mọ́.
One of my son, he doesn't know what to say again.
á oníbàbá olè ti di àjọ̀nú.
He said, Daddy, you have become a monster.
mo ní agbára Ọlọ́run ni.
I told him that is the power of God.
tí ò bá ti ń ṣe ènìyàn.
If he will not rely on human
tó jẹ́ pé
mentality,
agbẹ́kẹ̀lé
that
Ọlọ́run.
we rely on the power of
òun
God,
ní agbára wa.
is our source of strength or
òun ní
power.
pa wa.
Is the source of our strength.
kí ni nǹkan tí màá ṣiṣẹ́ lé lórí
What is
fún
going to
ọjọ́
be
mẹ́ta?
the theme of this 3-day program?
òun ní ọwọ́ tó máa bá ènìyàn gbẹ́rù ayé ni.
Is what I call the hands that will help someone to carry the load of his life.
ọwọ́ tó máa bọ́ gbẹ́rù ayé.
Hands that will help you to carry the load of your life.
ẹrù kan wà láyé ẹ.
There is a load in your life.
ohun tó jẹ́ kó ṣòro fún ẹ.
The reason why it is difficult for you is
o
that
ò rí èèyàn bọ́ gbé.
nobody to help you to carry this load.
o ò rí ọkùnrin bọ́ gbé.
No man to help you to carry this load.
o ò rí obìnrin bọ́
No
gbé.
woman to help you to carry this load.
bí a bá ń bò bá gbàdúrà.
If you fail to pray,
ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó máa ṣòro
this word is going to be difficult
láti pé kó lè ríru ọwọ́
for
yìí.
you to see this kind of
ẹ
hands.
jẹ́ n bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti ibìkan.
Let me start from
ká
somewhere
tó máa lọ sínú bíbélì.
before we go to the
tí
scripture.
èèyàn bá rí èèyàn bá ń gbẹ́rù ayé.
If you don't have someone to help you to carry the load of your life,
dédé ilẹ̀ ìlérí.
the person will not get to the promised land.
ẹgbọ́n tí mo wí ọ.
Did you hear what I
tó o
said?
bá rí ẹni bọ́ gbẹ́rù
If
ayé.
nobody to carry the load of your life,
ó máa ṣòro fún ọ láti
it will
dédé
be
ilẹ̀ ìlérí.
difficult to get to the promised land.
tó o bá rí ẹni bọ́ gbẹ́rù ayé.
If nobody to carry the load of your life,
ó máa nira fún ẹ
it's going to be difficult for you
láti lè rìn jìnnà.
for you to move far.
so ohun tó lè mú kéré àjò rẹ ó
The only
yá.
thing that can make your journey to be faster
ní pé kó rí àwọn kan bọ́
is
gbẹ́rù
to
rẹ.
have some group of people to carry the load
ohun
of
tó
your
lè mú
life.
kéré àjò rẹ ó yá.
The only thing that can make your journey to be
ní
faster
kí àwọn kankan dúró tì
is
ọ́.
for some people to rally around
jọ́bọ̀
you,
ru ẹrù
for
ayé.
them to show that to carry the load of your
jọ́bọ̀
life,
gbẹ́rù ayé.
carry the load of your life.
tó bá rẹ́ni bọ́ gbẹ́rù
If
ayé.
you have someone to help you to carry the load of your
wà á
life,
dé ilẹ̀
you
ìlérí.
will eventually get to the promised
jésù
land.
ìbá kú kó tó
Jesus
dé ibi
would have
káfárì.
died before he get to the Calvary,
ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n mú àwọn kan.
but they brought some people
pé kí wọ́n lè bá gbẹ́rù
that they
rẹ.
should help him to carry
ó
his
túmọ̀
load.
sí wípé
That implies
ìwọ náà ní ìdí ẹnìkan
you need the service of
tó lè bọ́
someone
gbẹ́rù ayé.
that can carry the load of your
Wọ́n bá
life,
kú sórí
for you not to die halfway,
ó bá lè débi tó yẹ kó
for you
dé.
to get to your promised
ó
land.
wà nílùú òyìnbó.
You are in abroad,
ó ní ìdí ẹni tó lè bọ́
you
gbẹ́rù
need
ayé.
someone that can carry the load of your
ó
life.
wà nàìjíríà.
You are in Nigeria,
ó ní ìdí ẹni tó lè
you
bọ́
need
gbẹ́rù
someone to
ayé.
help you to carry the load of your life.
kò síbi tí ẹ̀dá wà
There is no anywhere you may stay
tí ò nílò pé
that
kẹ́nìkan
you
bọ́
does
gbẹ́rù
not
ayé.
need the service of someone that will carry the load of
bó
your
ṣe
life.
inú ogun ló wà.
Even though if you are inside
mo
warfare,
gbàdúrà yẹn lẹ́ẹ̀kan.
I raised that prayer point the other time.
olú ara ń ni mí.
That Lord, I am in pain.
ara ń ni mí
I
olúwa.
am feeling pain so long.
àwọn tó máa bá ń gbé ẹrù.
Those that will carry the load of my life,
pé kó olúwa kó gbé ọ̀nà.
that Lord, please send them to me.
ọwọ́ tó máa gbé ẹrù.
Hands that will carry the load of my life,
tó fi máa fúyẹ́.
so that it's going to be light.
mo ní ìdí ẹ̀ olódùmarè.
I need them, oh
ẹ
Lord.
jẹ́ ká lọ sínú bíbélì.
Let's go to the scripture
káwọ nǹkan tọrọ olúwa wí
and
bẹ̀.
look at what the word of
Nínú
God
ìwé
says. In
Mark chapter
the book of Mark chapter 15,
verse 21.
verse 21.
yes.
wọ́n sì fi agbára mú ọkùnrin kan.
ẹ sọ sókè.
wọ́n sì fi agbára mú ọkùnrin kan.
wọ́n fi agbára mú ọkùnrin kan.
A man was compelled,
láti lu àgbélébù rẹ̀.
wọ́n fi agbára mú pé ìbáru àgbélébùú.
was compelled to carry his cross.
à ń kà nínú ìwé Mark chapter
Reading in
15
the book of Mark chapter 15,
verse 21.
verse 21.
wọ́n sì fi agbára mú ọkùnrin kan.
wọ́n fi agbára mú ọkùnrin kan.
láti lu àgbélébù
pé
rẹ̀.
ìwọ ni kó bá ru àgbélébùú.
A man was forced to carry his cross.
símónì ará kérénì.
Símónì ara kéré ni.
ẹni tí ń kọjá lọ.
ó kọjá lọ ní títí ẹ̀.
He was passing by gently.
ibì kan wà tó ń lọ sí fúnra
He
rẹ̀.
was heading to somewhere.
pọ̀ torí pé ẹnìkan wà tí ẹrù ayé ẹ̀ wúwo.
Because there's someone that his load of his life was so heavy.
ẹni tó ní ẹrù yẹn Jésù ni o.
The Jesus is the owner of the load.
Jésù ni.
Jesus.
but ó wúwo fún Jésù.
But it was so heavy for Jesus to
Jésù
carry.
lè gbé àgbélébùú.
Jesus can no longer carry the cross.
torí pé ibi tán mú lọ sí kò tí
Because where he is taking to is yet to get there.
tí ènìyàn bá lè fi agbára mú ènìyàn.
If one can compare to do something,
mélòó mélòó ni ọlọ́run.
how much more
ìdí
God?
nìyẹn tó fi ní ìdí àdúrà.
That is why you need prayer.
olúwa náà kó fi ọwọ́ agbára mú àwọn ọwọ́ kan.
For God to compare some hands.
kí ìrìn àjò rẹ kó lè
For
yá.
your journey to be faster.
àwọn tá a máa máa ṣiṣẹ́
That is going to be the theme of the
káàdì
program.
ẹ máa máa gbàdúrà.
And we are going to pray. pray.
má gbàgbé pé mi ò ṣe é dá
Don't
dúró.
forget that I must stop people.
táàgì yẹn.
That is the major target team of the
ọwọ́
program.
kan dá àwọn ọwọ́ tó yẹ kó bá yín gbẹ́rù.
There are some hands that stop the hands that are supposed to carry the load of your life.
ọwọ́ kan dá àwọn ọwọ́ kan dúró.
There are some hands that stop certain hands in your life.
àwọn ẹsẹ̀ kan wà tó yẹ kó bá yín rìn.
There are some legs that are supposed to embark on the journey of your life with
ṣùgbọ́n
you.
àwọn agbára kan dá
But
wọn
there's
dúró.
a power that stop them.
kọ́ má bàa lè bá yín
For
ṣe.
them not to help you out.
ohun tí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kọ́ ẹ ní wákàtí yìí.
What do you learn from this sermon right now?
máa múra lẹ̀.
Is that you should get
ní
prepared
àárọ̀ ọ̀la.
till tomorrow
tó
morning.
bá sì ní àwọn èèyàn.
And if you have relative or friends,
ìlú Àkúrẹ́ ni.
who is in the city of Akure,
Oǹdó ni.
it's in Ondo State,
Ọ̀wọ̀ ni.
either from Owo.
so o lè rí ibi sùn sí láàrin ọjọ́
There
mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta.
is a place for you to sleep within these 3 days.
so o ní láti gbàdúrà.
You need to pray.
mo fẹ́ parí ní chọ́ọ̀chì
I'm
lẹ́yìn.
about to round up in church
àwọn èèyàn ní
program.
bàbá ẹja mọ̀
People say, Father, let's keep on praying.
ní ẹjẹ́ ó dọ̀la.
I simply wait till tomorrow
nítorí pé mo ní àwọn revival mi.
because I have another additional other
tí mo
revival
ìfẹ́ lè ṣiṣẹ́
that
lójú.
I want to go and minister
torí
today.
tó bá ṣe díẹ̀ sí nísìnyí.
Because within a short while
ẹ tó
now,
máa máa rí mi online
you will
again.
make me online again
láàrin bí 6:30
within 6:30
Nigeria time.
Nigeria
màá
time.
tún wà ní another church.
I'm going to be in another church for another
láti
revival
máa ṣe revival
to
mẹ́.
conduct another revival
mo ní
there.
ẹjẹ́ àfi yòókù
I said,
sọ́nà.
please wait till tomorrow
àti ọ̀túnla.
and next tomorrow
àná ọjọ́ Wednesday.
and on Wednesday.
a lè jọ pàdé wọ́nà
That's so that we can make one on
Màá
one.
dẹ̀ ẹ̀yin tó jẹ́ pé ní ìdí tọ́ni wò
Those of you that need the prophet to guide you,
màá wà nínú ìlú yìí
I'm going to be in this
ní
city
ọjọ́ mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta
for that 3 days.
tí mo sì mọ̀ wípé àdúrà rẹ̀
And I know your prayer is going to be
náà
answered.
ẹjẹ́ àtúbẹ̀ yẹn kàkà
Now let's read that place again.
wọ́n sì fi agbára mú ọkùnrin kan
wọ́n fi agbára mú ọkùnrin kan
Ìlànà
láti ru àgbélébú rẹ̀.
láti ru àgbélébù ẹ̀.
Símónì ará Kírénì
Símónì ará Kéré
ẹni tí ń kọjá lọ
ó kàn kọjá
The man was just
tí
passing by.
ìgbèríko
ó
bọ̀.
ń bọ̀ láti
He was coming from the
Bàbá
interior.
Alẹ́sándáru.
iṣẹ́ ìráyè
The father of Alexander.
ọkùnrin fúnra rẹ̀.
This man, Alexander,
wọ́n ní wọ́n fi agbára mú.
he was compared, he was coerced.
ènìyàn ló fa agbára mú ènìyàn
It
yìí.
was people that compared this fellow.
mélòó mélòó ni Ọlọ́run.
How much more
Ọlọ́run
God?
lè fi agbára mú ènìyàn tó
God
yẹ.
can compare someone because of
ó
you.
lè ràn ẹ́ lọ́wọ́.
For him to help you.
wọ́n sọ nǹkan kan fún mi ní Europe.
They related something to me in Europe.
kí ni tán sọ fún mi bẹ́ẹ̀.
What is the
wọ́n ní
message?
kó obìnrin kan ìdílé kan lówó.
There is a family, they were stingingly rich.
owó yẹn wà ó pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ wọn.
They were stingingly rich
wọ́n wá kú.
and they died.
wọ́n ní ó ṣe wíì
The man now grant a will
fún olóńgbò rẹ̀.
to the cat.
olóńgbò.
Cat.
wọ́n ní ní kọ́ńtì yẹn
In that country,
àwọn tó fẹ́ lówó ìdílé wọn wà lára àwọn tó lówó jù.
their family happen to be part of the rich fellow in that country.
ta ló wá lówó yẹn.
Who is using the money?
olóńgbò rẹ̀ ẹnìkan lọ́wọ́.
Cat have someone.
ẹni tó gbólóńgbò tó
The person that carry the cat and take care of the cat
ní bójú tó wó.
is the one that is overseeing the
ìwọ́n
money.
bí bá lè ṣe fún ẹranko.
If they can grant will to a cat animal,
kí ló ti ọ pé èèyàn náà ò lè ràn ọ́ lọ́wọ́.
why is it that you thought people cannot help you?
èèyàn lè ràn ọ́ lọ́wọ́.
People can help you.
máa bá ń ṣe àmẹ́sẹ̀jì.
Go ahead and share this message as you join us.
màá dẹ̀rẹ̀ kó ṣe àìtítí di ọ̀la.
I want you to keep on sharing it
kí àwọn
tomorrow
ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ gbogbo lè dára.
so that all your friends can join us.
àwọn tó bá nílé èèyàn tó
Those people that you have all your relatives,
bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ kan join
talk to
program.
them to come and join this program.
pàtàkì jùlọ lọ́la.
Most especially tomorrow.
àti fẹ́ lọ gbàdúrà bíi mẹ́ta tí
We
wọ́n.
want to go and pray 3 prayer points.
ṣùgbọ́n mo jẹ́ kó yé ọ pé
But I want you to understand
o ní ìdí àwọn ọwọ́ kan
that you need some hands
tó lè bọ́ gbé ẹrù ayé
that can carry the load of your
dé
life
èbúté yíyanjú.
to our promised
o
land.
ní ìdí àwọn ọwọ́
You
kan
need some hands
tó máa bọ́ ru ẹrù ilé
that will
iṣẹ́ rẹ.
carry the load of your company
tí ẹrù ilé iṣẹ́ yẹn fi máa
so
fún
that
yẹ.
the load of that one will be
o ní
light.
ìdí àwọn ẹsẹ̀ kan
You need some leg
tó máa bọ́ sá eré
that
ayé
will run the race of your
kí
life
ìtura fi máa
so
dé.
that refreshment and comfort will
tí
come
àwọn
to you.
ẹsẹ̀ kan bá dé
If some hands, if some legs
tí
should
wọ́n
join
bọ́
you
sá eré ayé
and back on the race of your
ìrìn
life,
àjò yẹn máa yá
the
ẹ.
journey is going to be faster.
ó máa yí sì fún
It's
ẹ.
going to be easy for
ṣùgbọ́n
you.
tó bá rí wọn
But if you don't find them,
ó máa ṣòro
it's
fún
going
ọ
to be difficult for
láti
you.
pé kó lè rìnrìn àjò
For you
ayé.
to get to embark on the journey of
So,
life
ó ní ìdí àwọn ẹsẹ̀
successfully, you
kan
need some legs
tó máa bọ́ sáyé ayé.
that will run the race of
ó
your
ní
life.
ìdí àwọn ọwọ́
You
kan
need some hands
tí a ó fi agbára mú
that will be compared,
tí ó ràn lọ́wọ́
that will help
tí
you
ó bọ́ sáyé ayé.
will run the race of your
So,
life.
tó bá wà bí ènìyàn
If you are like a man,
tó bá rí ọwọ́ kó bá
if
ẹrù
no
ayé
hands to carry the load of your
ó lè
life,
kú sí ojú
the
ọ̀nà.
person may die
tó
halfway.
bá ní ilé iṣẹ́
If you have a company,
tó bá rí ènìyàn
no one to help
láti
you
bọ ilé iṣẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀
to church to carry the load of
wá
that
wà
one.
láyé bí ẹni tí
The
ò sí
person will be alive. He's
wá
not
wà bí ẹni
existing.
tí ò sí
You will be
láyé.
as if you are not in existence.
ṣùgbọ́n tí ọwọ́ kan bá ràn
But
lọ́wọ́
if some hands should help you,
ìrìn àjò èèyàn máa ń yá
the journey will be faster.
ẹrù wúwo yẹn á dẹ̀ dín.
That heavy load will become
bí
light.
ẹsẹ̀ kan bá dìde sí ọ
If some legs should come to
yóò
your
ṣe
aid,
àpẹẹrẹ kan fún àwọn
I
mẹ́mbà
gave an illustration to the member.
both online members and
and the church member, both our online viewers and the church
And I
members.
told them
Mo sì sọ fún wọn wípé
wípé
that
àwọn kan lolúwa lò fún àwọn ààrẹ wa
it
kan
is some people that God used for our president
kí ìran wọn yẹn kó lè
for the
ṣe.
vision to come to
Tó bá
pass.
jẹ́ gómìnà
You want
láyé
to become governor in
ó
life?
nídìí àwọn ọwọ́
You
kan
need some hands
tí ó rẹrù ayé
that will
ẹ̀.
shoulder your
Ó
load.
fẹ́ jẹ́
You want
sẹ́nétọ̀,
to become a
ó
senator?
fẹ́ jẹ́ lọ́ọ̀yà,
You want to become a
ó
lawyer?
fẹ́ jẹ́
You want to
dókítà.
become a doctor?
Ní Nàìjíríà
In
lónìí,
Nigeria today,
àwọn kan la máa lò fún.
there are some people that God will use
Tó
for
máa bá ẹ
you
sáré
that
ayé.
will embark on the race of
Tó
your
máa
life,
connect ẹ̀.
that will connect you.
Ibùdó èmi gan bí wòlíì.
Even I as a prophet,
Ìwọ bí pásọ̀.
you as a pastor,
Ìwọ bí bíṣọ̀.
you as a bishop,
Ìwọ bí
you
àpòsọ̀.
as an
Ó
apostle,
nídìí àwọn ọwọ́
you
kan.
need some hands
Kí ọmọ gbé ẹrù
to
ayé.
carry the load of your
Ó
life.
nídìí àwọn ọwọ́
You
kan.
need some hands
Kán gbé ẹrù
to
ayé.
carry the load of your
Ó
life.
nídìí àwọn ẹsẹ̀
You
kan.
need some leg
Kánbọ̀ sáré
to
ayé.
run the race of your life.
Àwọn náà máa sá kiri
They are the
lórí ẹ̀.
one that will be running a casket because
Pé
of
ọkùnrin
you.
gbúdọ̀
That
dìde.
truly this man must be
Ẹ
lifted.
bá wa ràn lọ́wọ́.
Please help him.
Ẹ bá wa ṣàánú.
Please have mercy on
Ẹ
him.
bá wa ràn lọ́wọ́.
Please help him.
Ẹ bá wa ṣàánú.
Please have mercy on him.
Àwọn ọwọ́ kan nìyẹn.
Those are some
Àwọn ẹsẹ̀
hands.
kan
There are
nìyẹn.
some legs.
Irú wọn ló nídìí
They are
lórí
the
wọn.
people you need today, brother.
Àǹtí irú wọn ló nídìí.
Sister, they are the caliber of people you
Tó
need
o bá bá
today.
irú àwọn èèyàn yìí pàdé.
If you don't make this kind of fellow,
Ó lè nira fún ẹ
it
díẹ̀.
may be so difficult for
Kó o
you
tó lè dé ilẹ̀ ìgbé.
before you can get to the
Ó
promised
lè
land.
ṣòro fún ọ
It may be
díẹ̀.
so difficult
Kọ́rọ̀ rẹ tó lè di ayọ̀.
before your word, your matter can become the source
Àǹtí
of joy.
onídìí àwọn kan.
Sister, you need some people
Tí wọ́n máa bá ẹgbẹ́ ẹrù ayé
that
ẹ̀.
will carry the load of your life.
Onídìí ọkùnrin
You
kan.
need a man
Tó máa bá ẹ sá eré
that
ayé
will
ẹ̀.
run the race of your life.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ní vision.
Many of you have vision,
But kò rí èèyàn tó lè bá
but
sáré ayé.
nobody to run the race of your
Kò
life.
jẹ́ kí vision wá
So the
sí.
vision did not come to reality.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀.
Some people,
Wọ́n rí àwọn tó lè bá wọn sáré.
there are some people that can run the race of their
But
life,
wọ́n neglect wọn.
but they abandon them.
So kò jẹ́ kí ìrìn àjò yẹn
That
dá
did
wọn.
not allow the journey to be faster.
Ó máa ń ṣe ní láàánú lọ́pọ̀
It is
yìí.
a pity today.
The person that God sent to you.
Ẹni tí Ọlọ́run rán sí ọ,
If you don't careful,
tí ò bá kíyèsára,
you might miss them.
ẹni yẹn lè kùnà rẹ̀.
So ìran èèyàn rẹ̀ ò dẹ̀ nílé wá sí
And the
ìmúṣẹ.
vision will not come to pass.
Nínú ayé lónìí,
In the world today,
kì í wu àwọn èèyàn láti bá èèyàn sáré ayé
some
ni.
people they don't want to willingly run the race of someone's
Tó bá
life.
wá fortunate.
If you are so fortunate,
Torí ẹni tó lè bọ́ gbé ẹrù ayé
you
ẹ̀.
see people that can carry the load of your
Tó lè
life,
bọ́ sá eré
that
ayé
can
ẹ̀.
run the race of your
Kí
life.
ló dé kó o ṣe dúró tì?
Why can't you stay put with them?
Ẹlòmíì ogun ẹ̀ ló ń lé kúrò lára ẹni tó lè bá sáré ayé
It is
ẹ̀.
their battle that disconnect them from the people that can run the race of their
Ìgbà
life.
tó bá wé èsì tán,
After waiting the
àwa jẹ
practice,
sá padà.
we now return back.
Àwa di back to square
We
one.
now know it's going back to where it's coming from.
Nítorí pé iye kò sí.
Because in the study is not open.
Kì í ṣe gbogbo èèyàn ló lè bá èèyàn gbẹ́rù
It
ayé
is
èèyàn.
not everybody that can want to carry
Kì
someone's
í
life.
ṣe gbogbo èèyàn ló lè bá èèyàn sáré ayé
It's
èèyàn.
not the people that can run the race of someone's
A
life.
fẹ́ lo ìpàdé
But
láìpẹ́
God want to use the powerful program
láti fi gbé àwọn kan kó bá ẹ̀ sáré ayé.
to raise up some people to run the race of your life.
Lọ́wọ́ ìrìn àjò
For
ayé.
them to embark on the journey of your
Lọ́wọ́
life.
ọdẹ ibi tó ní
To
àpẹẹrẹ.
take them to a reasonable man.
So o máa gbàdúrà
You are
sí.
going to pray now.
And I'm use this medium to invite
Mo
you.
ṣe ń lo àkókò yìí láti fi pè yín.
Online program for you on tomorrow morning.
And bákan náà yìí tí o máa ń wò wá on this online for you to join this platform tomorrow.
5:30 a.m.
5 Nigeria time a.m.
ní àárọ̀ ọ̀la
early in the morning
sí 7:30
to 7:30
is 2 hours program.
and 2 hours
Tó
program.
bá tún wá di ìrọ̀lẹ́
In the evening session,
5 to 7.
it's going to be between 5 to 7 p.m. It's going to be powerful.
Ohun tó máa tá máa ṣiṣẹ́ lé lórí
The
sẹ́.
theme of the program
Mi ò ṣe é dá
is
dúró.
unstoppable.
Topic
And the topic,
ọwọ́ tó máa bá mi
the
gbẹ́rù
hands
ayé.
that will carry the load of my
Ṣé
life.
ẹrù ayé mi fi máa
So
fún mi?
that the load of my life will be light.
O ní ìdí àwọn ọwọ́
You
kan.
need some hands
Ó
to
gbé ẹrù ayé ẹ̀.
carry the load of your
Ẹrù
life.
ayé ẹ̀ lè
So
fún ẹ.
that the load can be light.
Láì rí àwọ̀ yìí.
Without these hands,
Ó lè ṣòro
it
fún
will be
ẹ.
so difficult.
Ṣùgbọ́n bí ọwọ́ yìí bá dé.
But if these hands should come to the
Bí ọwọ́
rescue,
yìí bá dé.
if these hands should come to
Wà á
the
ní pé
rescue,
ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ máa di
you
ayọ̀.
see your word, your matter will return to joy.
Agbára ìdílé dẹ̀ máa gbé
And
ayé
the
rẹ.
power of resurrection will uphold your
Mo
life.
gbìyànjú láti sọ fún ọ
I'm
nígbà
using
tí.
this medium to inform you one more time.
Múra sílẹ̀
Please, I want you to get
láti
prepared
pàdé Ọlọ́run.
to have a encounter with God.
Múra sílẹ̀.
Get prepared.
Jésù rí ẹnìkan
Jesus met
tí ó
someone
máa gbé
that
àgbélébùú ẹ̀.
carried the cross of his life.
Kò wú ẹni yẹn láti máa
That
gbé.
man did not willingly want to carry it.
Kò wú rárá.
He doesn't willingly
Bọ̀
want to
wọ́n
carry
ní
it.
agbára mú.
But he was coerced compared.
Bọ̀dá onídìkólúwa fi agbára
Brother,
mú.
God needs to go and compare someone
Kó bọ̀ gbé ẹrù
to
yìí.
carry the load of your life.
Sísá onídìkólúwa
Sister, God needs to go and compare
kó
someone
fi àwọn agbára
to go
mẹ́rìnkà.
and coerce
Kó
someone
bá ẹgbẹ́ ẹrù ayé.
to carry the load of your life.
Ẹ wo bí o.
Look at here.
Mo ń bọ̀ láti Italy nígbà kan.
I was coming from Italy some times ago.
Connecting flight mi.
My connecting flight
Ó jẹ́ láti Italy sí France.
is between Italy to France
France to Nigeria.
and France to Nigeria.
Bí mo ti ń bọ̀.
As I was coming,
Ìgbà yí alálùmọ́lẹ̀ ni.
that that was in those days.
tí mi ti mọ̀nà.
That I don't know the right route.
tí mi ti mọ̀nà.
I don't know the right route
Ọ̀rẹ́
correctly.
máa ń láìkì ìgbà yẹn mo máa ń láìkì máa receive call.
Then I used to love to be receiving a call.
Pastor friend mi ní Italy nígbà
One of my pastor friend in Italy
wọ́n
there,
ní prophet.
he said prophet,
ó ní airport to France.
that France airport
ó ló yàtọ̀ sí Muritala Muhammed
is
yo.
different from Nigeria, Muritala
Ó lè yẹn lè sọ̀rọ̀ sínú
that
ìdánwò.
one can get lost there.
Mo ní láéláé.
I said never.
Èmi náà mi ṣe ń travel.
Please, this is not the first time of traveling.
Yóò kì í ṣe pé àkọ́kọ́ travel mi.
That it was not the first time.
But mo ní program tí n fẹ́ lọ ṣe
But I have
Nàìjíríà.
a program I already lined up
Mo rò
schedule
pé
in
bóyá
Nigeria.
God of Elijah.
Maybe the team of God is God of
Àwọn
Elijah.
period àbí ilé ìtaṣẹ̀ parí.
Or God of Mercy is just concluded or something like that.
Ó dàbí pé ìkan nínú méjèèjì.
It's like in between one of the program.
Now nígbà tí mo wá ń bọ̀,
When I was coming,
mi ò mọ̀ gbà tí mo kọjá géètì.
I don't know when I walked and I left the gate.
Mi ò mọ̀ gbà tí mo fi géètì nílẹ̀.
I don't know when I transferred, I left the gate.
Bí mo ṣe máa rìn síwájú
As
díẹ̀,
I moved forward a little bit,
mo kàn rí wípé
I saw
ọ̀nà ti block.
that the way had been blocked.
Mo kàn rí pé àwọn òyìnbó pọ̀ tán lọ yà á.
I look at you, we have a lot of white men.
Èmi náà kàn fà báàgì mi
I
yá.
just carry my
Mo kàn
luggage
fèsì ọ̀nà
and I
bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ.
was following that route.
Mo ti mísì gbogbo
I
géètì
have
tó yẹ kí
missed
n
the
gbà.
necessary gate where I'm supposed
Mo
to
kàn
go.
dúró àwọn kan ni wọ́n tún
I
gbúdú
met
ní
some
ìṣúbáyìí.
people, they
Mo
entered
kàn tún kó sí wọn sínú
and immediately I entered the
Ìyá ló kàn tún gbé mi lọ òkè
And the lift take me up.
By the time tí mo máa padà lọ wo géètì
By the time I go and check
mo
my gate,
ti mísì mọ́.
I have made the
Mo
road.
lọ sí mo ti wà ní sẹ́ẹ̀dì.
I was going to A, but I'm already inside.
Mo wá àmọ́ ayẹ padà.
And I will
Máa tún dọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ lélẹ̀.
If I get to someone,
Ẹ jẹ́ ràn mí lọ́wọ́.
please help me.
Speak French.
Speak French.
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 Èmi sì lé ní ìbọn French.
I don't understand
Òyìnbó
French
gan ni ọ̀gbọ́n
language.
dáadáa.
Even though in this language I'm not fluent very well.
Kámọ̀ sọ kejì.
Not to talk about that
Kí ni mo
other
bá fẹ́
side.
ṣe báyìí?
What is the main line of action?
Mo ṣáà gẹ́ẹ̀tì by the time tí máa débi géètì.
By the time I got to the normal gate
Ó ti close.
and the gate has been closed,
Àṣẹ flight yìí ní delay.
not knowing that the flight had a little delay,
Ilé kan wà fún.
there is a delay for the flight.
Ọkùnrin kan wá wà.
There was a man,
Bí áńgẹ́lì ni o.
maybe it's an agent,
Bí èèyàn kan
maybe
ni
it's
o.
a woman being,
Ṣùgbọ́n mo ti ẹ̀mọ̀ áńgẹ́lì.
but I know it's an agent.
Mo mọ̀.
I know
Ọwọ́ tó bá mi gbẹ́rù
a
ayé.
hand that helped me to carry the load of my life,
Ẹsẹ̀ tó bá mi sáré ayé.
leg that helped me to run the race of my
Wọ́n lè ti
life,
ń pè mí ilé fún
and they
program.
have been calling me at home for that program.
Nígbà tó wá dé stage
When I got to certain stage,
mo kàn rí ẹni yẹn ni.
I met someone.
Ó ní hello sir.
Say hello, sir.
You are resemble one of my prophets.
Ọjọ́ kan lára àwọn wòlíì mi.
Bí mi bá tiẹ̀ gbọ́ gbogbo.
If I don't understand all that grammar,
Resemble yẹn.
for that
Ó
resemblance,
yọ̀ yàn ni.
that means you resemble someone.
Wòlíì.
Prophet.
Mo mọ̀ pé prophet.
I know prophet. I know the meaning of prophet.
Mo ní ẹjọ́ sá.
Say please, sir.
Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ Yorùbá?
Do you understand Yoruba?
Ó lóun gbọ́.
Say I do.
Mo ní tó bá dé rẹ̀ sá.
If that is so,
Ẹjọ́ mo ti miss flight.
please have made my flight.
Ó ní ẹ̀ tí mi.
So you have missed
Mo lè
it.
lọ.
Where are you heading to?
Air France ni
So
mo
I'm
lọ.
going to enter Air France.
Ṣùgbọ́n mo ti débẹ̀. wọ́n ti-
But I got there.
Àwọn tó lè ràn mí
The
lọ́wọ́.
people that can help
Ó
me.
ní ẹ̀sà.
Say, sir,
Ẹ̀yin ló gbàdúrà fún mi.
you are the one that prayed for
Bí
me.
ẹ sọ pé láàrin ọdún mẹ́ta.
I said within 3 years
Wípé àwọn èèyàn máa fi tòun gbà.
that people will use my breakthrough to pray.
Ẹ tún kó owó tó wà náà.
And you empty your pocket, all the money in your pocket, you give it to me.
Mo rí i pé dó ohun tó wí yẹn.
Truly, what he said,
Mo máa ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀.
I used to do it,
Ṣùgbọ́n
but
mi ò rántí pé mo ṣe.
I don't remember really when I empty my pocket. to do so.
Àwọn journalist mi kan ni mo ṣe irú ẹ̀ fún.
I did it to one of my journalists and some of
Mi ò
my
ṣe
sons.
ọkùnrin yìí mọ́.
I don't even recognize this man.
Àṣẹ ọwọ́ tí ó bá mi gbẹ́rù ẹ̀.
Not knowing that the hands that will lift up the load of my
Ẹsẹ̀
life,
tí ó bá mi sáré ayé.
leg that will run the race of my
Bó
life.
ti ń darapọ̀ sí
As
àmọ́sí.
you join now, go ahead and share this
Bó ti
message.
ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ Olúwa yóò gbọ́
As
àdúrà.
you do that, God will answer your prayer.
Bó ṣe dé ìṣẹ́jú kan.
And just a minute when I got
Ó ní
there,
bàbá.
he said, Father,
Ó ní èní lòun náà máa san orí.
that today I am going to reward you.
Ó ṣàlọ́ àṣàwọlé àṣebákan.
We enter, we just communicate a little bit.
Mi ò mọ bá a ṣe ṣe.
I don't
Ohun tí mo
know.
jáde ni pé mo wà nínú plane.
What I learned again is that I was already saying that the
Ìgbà mo wá débi plane yẹn tán.
when I got there,
Ó ní prophet.
said, Willie,
Ó ní economy lè jókòó sí.
please, you are in economic
Ìgbà
class.
yẹn first class náà ti máa ń lò.
Then they used to use first class,
Kì í ṣe business.
not business
Ayé ò
class.
ní business.
Now it's business
Ṣùgbọ́n
class.
ìgbà yẹn first class.
But then they still call that first class.
Ó wá ní ẹ̀sà.
I said, sir,
First class ló ń bá wa.
please, I came through first class.
Irú yín kọ́ ló ń jókòó sí
It
ẹ̀kọ́
is
náà.
not your caliber that's supposed to go and sit in economy.
Ẹ máa bọ̀ ń bí ìsà.
Please come to the first class.
Ó dìde lórí àga.
He arose from his seat.
mo jókòó sí
and I sat on it.
ó lọ sí síìtì
Return back to my own seat.
wọ́n gbàgbé o
Don't forget,
ọwọ́ tí ó bọ̀ gbẹ́rù ayé
hands that will carry the load of your life,
tí ó fúyẹ́
that it will be light.
ẹsẹ̀ tí ó bọ̀ sáré ayé
Leg that will run the race of your life,
tó fi máa yá
for the journey to be faster.
mo ṣe wọnú plane tẹ̀
Mainly I entered the aeroplane.
bí plane yẹn láàrin bí 5-10 minutes
Within 5 to 5 minutes,
tó take off
we took off.
ọkùnrin yẹn mo torí mo ti ṣèṣọ́jú ó
Because I've conducted, remember, I'm so
mo
tired.
wá gbẹ̀yìn lẹ́la
I lie down like this.
mo kàn rí ọwọ́ yẹn tó lù mí báyìí
The hands just beat me.
ọmọ
Son,
ó mọ ẹni yẹn rí
you don't know that man from Adam.
ó mọ rí
You doesn't know him from
o mo
anywhere.
kàn jáde sí ọ nígbà tí lè ti kú
I just came to your rescue when you are hopeless.
mo rí mọ̀ ipò ti tán fún
I knew it is almost end.
ṣùgbọ́n mo fẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé mi lolúwa
But I want you to know that I am God.
mo fẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé mi lọ́ba
I want to prove to you that I'm King of
tí mo
Kings.
máa ń ṣàkófẹ́ nìyẹn
That you to show
tí
mercy.
mo máa ń ràn ènìyàn
That you to help people.
nígbà tó sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ tán
Having said
ó ní
that,
kó lè dá ọ lóṣù
for you to ascertain the truth,
ìdílé lọ síbi àyẹ
arise now and go back to your
ó
former
lọ
seat.
wo bẹ̀
Go and check it.
wàá lè mọ̀ wípé
You will know that
ó mọ ẹni yẹn
that you don't know that man from
ẹni
anywhere.
ará mi ní olúwa
My brethren in the Lord,
ìgbà tí mo máa débẹ̀
when I got there,
tí mo máa débẹ̀ yẹn
when
padà
I got there back,
first row second row third
the
row
first, second, and third rows
òyìnbó ní gbogbo èèyàn tó wà
occupied by white
mi ò
men.
rí ènìyàn dúdú
I don't see any
mo
black
dẹ̀
men
máa
there.
ga mo mọ sí àmì
And I recognize my seat.
mo dá sí àti
I recognize my seat.
ṣùgbọ́n kíyèsí
But please behold,
mi ò ní oore ọ̀fẹ́ láti
I don't have the grace to see that fellow
ara
again.
mi ń gbọ̀n
I
báyìí
was so shivering.
ara mi ń gbọ̀n
I
báyìí
was so shivering.
ara mi ń gbọ̀n
My body so
kí
shivering.
ló ṣẹlẹ̀ yóò
What happened, Lord?
olúwa pé ọmọ
The Lord says, son,
kó lè mọ̀ pé mi
for
lolúwa
you to know that I am God.
ẹ̀yin ará mi nínú olúwa
Brethren in the Lord,
ìwọ náà nídìí àwọn ọwọ́
then you need some hands
tó máa sọ ọ́ pọ̀
that will connect you
mọ́ àwọn ẹni òkè
to the people on the top.
iṣẹ́ rẹ nílò
Your work needs.
àwọn kan wà
There are some people,
wọ́n lè bọ̀ sáré ayé
they can run the race of your
wọ́n
life.
lè fún ọ lámàrán bó
They
ṣe
can
kọ́lé
give you advice how to build a house.
wọ́n lè fún ọ lámàrán bó ṣe
They
dé
can give you advice to get
wọ́n lè
married.
fún ọ lámàrán bó
They
ṣe
can
lọ́kọ̀
advise you how to
wọ́n
marry.
lè fún ọ lámàrán bó ṣe
They can
lọ́wọ́
advise you how to collect a green passport. Red
wọ́n lè
passport.
fún ọ lámàrán bó ṣe lè gba appointment
They can advise you how to get a Jewish appointment.
o ní ìdí àwọn èèyàn
You need caliber of people like that.
ọwọ́
Hands
tó máa bọ̀ gbé ẹ̀rù
that will carry the load of your life.
ẹsẹ̀
Legs
tó máa bọ̀ sáré
that will run the race of your life.
tó o bá rí irú àwọn èèyàn
If you don't see caliber of these people,
wàá pẹ́ lójú kan
that person will remain on the spot.
ohun tó fún nàìjíríà ní tó fún wa ní ìrọ̀rùn ká má sọ̀kan tó kù
What gave us what gave us hardship in this country not to talk about that today?
nítorí pé a ò tí ì rí àwọn ènìyàn tó ṣetán tó lè bá wa sá eré ayé
It's
wa
because
lójú
we don't have a leader, committed leader who want to run the race of this
a kò
country's
tí ì
life.
rí àwọn ẹsẹ̀ tó lè bá wa sá eré yìí.
We are yet to find leg that will run the race of this country.
tá a bá ti lè rí wọn
Haven't discovered
ẹ máa rí
them.
pé ní àjò máa yí
You will
sí fún
see the journey will be so
wa
fast.
àwọn tó ṣetán láti fi ara wọn jì
People that are ready to commit their
òun
life.
ni àwọn ọwọ́ tí mo sọ
They are the hands I'm talking about.
ìdílé yín ní ìdí ẹ
Your family lineage.
ìdílé yín ní ìdí ẹ
Your family
lẹ́ni
lineage.
nígbà tí mo ṣe kánsẹ̀
Today when I was counseling,
àǹtí kan jókòó síwájú
a sister sat in my
mo
front.
sọ gbóhùn olú alẹ́
I
tí
heard the voice of God.
pé wọ́n máa ń kú nílé wọn
That
lójijì
they used to have an untimely death in their family.
mo ní àǹtí
I said, sister,
olúwa sọ fún mi pé
the Lord told me
ẹ máa ń kú lójijì nílé yín.
untimely death used to strike people in your family.
ó ní ẹ̀sà
He said, sir.
ó lẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ sọ pé ẹ̀ní ríran ju pé kẹ́ ẹ pe àdúrà
He
sí
said, but you vow not to tell of vision than another
ẹ mo ní nínú ìsìn náà mi ò ríran sí
I said
i
in the program, he don't tell you any vision.
but ohun tó ń pè ní wòlíì kì í ṣe pé wòlíì ò lè ríran
But what we call prophet is not that prophet cannot tell you vision.
ó ní bọ̀ délé tẹ́ sọ ìkọjá agbára ọ̀sán
But what you said surpasses my own knowledge,
mo
sir.
lẹ́ẹ̀ má sọkàn mi
Simply weep no more, sister.
mo ní ó ní ìyá ń kú ní age of 54
She said her mother died at the age of 64,
54
54.
ó ní ẹ̀gbọ́n
Her younger
ó
one
kú ní 45
died at the age of 45.
ó ní ẹ̀gbọ́n kejì
The second elder one
ó ló kú ní age of 43
died at the age of 43.
ó ní nǹkan ó ló kú ní
The other one,
bàbá wọn ó ló kú ní age of 40 àbí 57
father died at the age of 57.
ó ní ẹ̀jọ́ sá
Please, sir.
mo ní ibi ó tiẹ̀ sọ dé yẹn má sọ
I
fún
said, please don't even mention any other
yẹ
again.
ká gbé ti sẹ́gbẹ́
Let's forget about it.
kí ni éèjì tiẹ̀ báyìí
What, how old are
ó
you?
lóun ṣe pé 39
She just clocked
ó ní
39 years
ṣùgbọ́n
of
èrò
age.
ọkàn yẹn sọ nínú ọkàn
But her mindset was mingling her belly, in her stomach,
ikú ti fẹ́ dé
that death is about taking your life.
ní àǹtí
Say, sister,
torí pé orí olúwa
but because you had a encounter with God,
ọ̀nà àbáyọ wà fún
there
ẹ
is a way out.
pé kò sóhun tó lúwa kò lè
That
ṣe
there is nothing impossible
èmi
that
náà
God
sọ
cannot do.
fún yẹn
And I'm telling you, my
kò sí
brethren,
tó lúwa ò lè ṣe
there is no impossibility in
ọwọ́
God.
kan lè bọ́ ọgbẹ́rù ayé
Hands can carry the load of your
tó
life.
dẹ̀ máa yí sí fún ẹ
It's going to be easier for
ẹsẹ̀
you.
kan lè bọ́ sáré
Leg can run the race of your life.
tó máa yí sí fún ẹ
It's going to be easier
tí
for
ò
you.
tiẹ̀ ní ṣèrègùn.
That the person will not even do something else.
ohun tó ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tẹ́ ṣe bá jakulẹ̀ ń pàdé.
Why many people make frustration today?
àwọn ọwọ́ kan wà tẹ́rù pé wọ́n bá yín gbẹ́rù ayé yín tán pa yín lára.
There are some hands you thought they carry the load of the but eventually they injure you.
àwọn ẹsẹ̀ kan wà tẹ́rù kún bá
There are
yín
some legs you thought they run the race of your life,
tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n
but they are naming your life.
sùtá bá fún ọlọ́run jìnnà
It will give you original
kó lè
freedom
bọ́ sáré ayé ẹ̀
that can run the race of your life.
ìrọ̀rùn máa dé báyìí
There will be comfort.
ìrànlọ́wọ́ máa sọ̀kalẹ̀
Help will come to your aid.
ìtura máa dé báyìí
Comfort, refreshment will
ìwọ
come.
fún ara ẹ̀ á mọ̀ wípé
Then you will know for sure
ẹni yìí aràn sí mi
that this fellow have been sent to me.
ẹni máa bá yàn gbẹ́rù ayé
Whoever that will carry the load of someone's life
kì í wo àbùkù ayé
will not look at your shortcomings.
kò ní wo ẹ̀gbin tó wà nínú
Will not
ìdílé
look
ẹ̀
at your family predicament.
kò ní wo ẹ̀gàn tàbí
Will
ẹ̀gbin
not look at the reproach or your shortcoming.
kò ní wo bóyá olówó
Will not look at maybe you have money
bóyá olówó
or you don't have money.
àǹtí
Sister,
téèyàn bá máa bá ẹgbẹ́rù ayé ẹ̀
anyone is going to carry the load of your
kò
life,
ní wo ẹ bóyá
the person will not assess maybe that whether that
bóyá o ti bímọ rí
maybe you have a child before.
kò ní wo ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ o
Will not even look at that
tó
one.
bá máa rí èèyàn tí ó bọ̀ gbẹ́rù
If you
ayé
are
ẹ̀
going to see one to carry the load of your
kò ní
life,
wo ẹ bóyá o ti dàbọ̀sì nígbà
the
mẹ́rin
person will not look maybe you have divorced for 4 different
á ṣe
operations.
gbogbo agbára dúró tì ọ́
With all his power capability, he will
Brother,
assist you.
tó bá rí obìnrin tó máa dúró tì
If
èèyàn
you see a sister that is